Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to send stickers to your friends on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to send our stickers on Instagram messages? So you just need to send a sticker message. You just need first of all, you just go inside the sticker messages here, and then I'm just going to click on the bottom section. Click this, and here that will be the first thing you can see. The first, this is an avatar sticker and this is normal sticker. You can see a lot of stickers like that. If you just need to have a good morning sticker, you just search as good morning show, good morning. So after it will shows a lot of different type of stickers. You just can send it to your friends. So you can just click on any animation sticker that you can just send it like this. So you can also search for congratulations like that, or whatever the animation that you just needed. For an example, clapping. So I just type as clap. So after typing as clap, you can see the stickers as it's loading. So you can see this clap stickers has been here. You can just send it like this. This is how you just use the sticker options on your Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.